The SEMA show is an annual industry-only trade show that takes place every fall in Las Vegas. It shows off the latest products and some of the hottest cars around. And we've been fortunate enough for the last several years to work with the Ford Motor Company and Ford Performance to build a car for their main display. This is the 2017 EcoBoost Mustang we built for the 2016 SEMA show. We have a lot of new projects coming down the pike. We decided it's time to make room in the garage and put our SEMA car up for sale. Now, there are a ton of videos on our YouTube channel that showcase every modification we did to this car preparing it for the SEMA show, but I'll go over the modifications right now to give you an idea of what is all done to this car. It has between about $15,000 in aftermarket parts on top of the car itself. It is a 2017 Mustang EcoBoost, and it did start off as a base model performance pack car. It is a custom stealth gray paint, and it has a charcoal interior with a set of cloth Recaros. Now, as far as modifications, the biggest one is the Borla EFR Turbo Kit. That includes a BorgWarner 7163 ball bearing turbo, front mount intercooler, downpipe with catalytic converter, all tied in with a custom Cobb tune. There are currently 3 tunes on the car for 18, 21, and 23 PSI. And like we mentioned, this car was built for Ford Performance, so it is loaded with Ford Performance parts. It has a full Ford Performance suspension kit, which includes shocks, struts, springs, and sway bars, along with a Ford Performance Brembo brakes, Ford Performance shifter, Ford Performance steering wheel, push button start, and a Ford Performance catback exhaust system. The wheels are custom finished 3-piece rotiform KPSs with a gloss center, a matte black hoop, and then custom bolts to match. Tires are Michelin Pilot Super Sports with 275/35s in the front and big 305/30s in the back. As far as additional modifications, it has tons of lighting upgrades from Baja Designs, Ford, and Dynamics, and then body-wise, it has an Anderson Composites carbon fiber hood, trunk, front splitter, side splitter, and upper and lower grills. So all kinds of little custom touches throughout this car, and it currently has just under 11,000 miles, so it is barely broken in and ready for its new owner. The car originally came in black from Ford, but we stripped down everything, did a custom stealth gray paint job, which includes all of the door jambs and even the under hood. We added some acid green accents to really make this car pop, and we get tons of compliments everywhere we drive it. Now, being this was built for SEMA, this one-of-a-kind car was built to perform and also stand out in a crowd. Now, again, with over $15,000 in modifications and less than 11,000 miles on the car, we feel our $25,000 asking price is very reasonable. If you're interested in our SEMA Mustang, hit me up at bill@cjponyparts.com.